guys, so I made up me a song. It's called Worship by me and plus my producer. Well, you don't know my producer. So, like you say, you don't know my story about the things I've been through. So don't try to figure it out how. Because my worship is for real. Because my worship is for real. Thank you, Jesus. My worship is for real. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, my worship is for real. Guys, thank you. If you like this producer, she made up this song. It's called My Worship. So, yeah. So, I'm just straight. I'm doing this because I love church. So, comment down below if you like or if you don't. So, if you do like it, then subscribe and comment down below. And give me some comments. If you like it, then speak to my producer. I'll try to give it. Well, guys, I'll try to give her phone number later. Bye. Peace out. Oh, and P.S. guys, guess what? My producer goes to S.O. Mason School. S.O. Mason School. So if you see her, tell her I said hi. It's me. So, thanks guys. Bye-bye.